Now it's available at Mccarthycars, Mercedes ML, diesel 62 plate 2012, metallic black. Car has daylights, got front parking sensor, 19-inch AMG alloy wheels, it's got privacy rear glass, got roof rails, rear parking sensor, it's got electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX joystick preparation, for electric window, electric mirror folding mirror, electric seats, front auto headlights, electric lumbar support. Car has satellite navigation, it's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, media interface, memory card slot, MP3, it's got hard drive, 10 GB. It's got DAB radio, eco mode, it's got heated seats, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, 2 central cup holders, it's got multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, it's got cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.